Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are new. Today I thought I would do a video that's kind of circulating around YouTube, and I actually started doing these videos like way before they like blew up. I started doing one maybe in like December. I did a Jaclyn Hill one, but now they're like a massive thing, and a lot of people, when they do tutorials, they use a lot of high-end products, and I've noticed a lot of us people can't like afford high-end, so I thought I would put a bit of twist on it and recreate a makeup tutorial using duplicate products. So this is the completed look. This is like a really gorgeous green smoky eye using the Subculture palette from Emma Fleming, but I used the Makeup Revolution version, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Basically, that was my hands making a really weird noise. I did not enjoy that. Basically, I just thought I would show you that you don't need to use really expensive products to create a tutorial look, and you can still get the same kind of effect by using more affordable products. So yeah, if you want to see how to recreate this look, then like, subscribe, keep watching, and yeah, let's get on with it. So I'm sorry if you're a bit far away. I kind of need to like put it at this weird angle so I can put her video on the screen. But I'm going to watch it on my phone with my headphones in, and then I can insert the thing and the sound won't be all weird, because sometimes when you film these videos the sound doesn't work. But yeah, I'm going to show you the video. This is by Emma Fleming, and I love her channel. I believe she's Scottish, however I could be wrong. So this is basically a really dramatic green look using the Subculture palette, as I said, but I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution dupe version, which is only £4 as opposed to like 42. This is what the palette looks like. I've not used it too much. I think I've used it like once. She has her eyebrows done at the start, so I'm going to fill in my eyebrows off of camera and I'll be right. I hope you can excuse the fact I have my headphones in. I even put a green top on for this video. But yeah, I'm going to get the video up now and just begin, I guess. So to begin with, she's going in with the darkest green colour in the palette. So I'm going to go in with this shade here, and she's using a kind of bullet brush type thing. So let's see what I've got. I'm going to use this brush. I think this is the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette brush, and I'm going to use this end, like the domed end. And she seems to be just packing it into the crease.
A small brush.
So I'm just going to start doing that.
So I'm just going to place this Axis shade just in the socket of my eye.
Oh, she also applied an eye primer base, but I already did that off camera because I have watched this video before. I watched it before and saw it, and I was like, I need to recreate this look. It is stunning. So that's what I'm going to do. In the same kind of C shape that she did. I'm just packing it on like she says to. I think this is a really good shade actually, considering this palette's £4. So I'm just packing. So this is what we're looking like. I've just zoomed you in a bit because you were way too far away, but this is what we're kind of looking like. Also, you don't really need to be too zoomed in on me because you can see like the little clip here. But she then goes in with a blending brush and the more army green kind of colour. So I'm going to use this one in the palette on a MAC 224, and she just uses this to start blending out the edges, I think. So I'm going to do that.
And I'm just going to start packing and blending at the same time, just in my crease.
Okay, so now she's got her blend done. She's going back into the first green colour and just packing this on again. So I wanted to do this video to prove that you don't have to use the exact same product to get like a similar kind of look, because I know a lot of people have been using different products in these tutorials, and like people have been getting mad because they're not the same products. But when you recreate a tutorial, do you really use the exact same product and like go out and buy every single item? You don't really. You just kind of like use what you've got and like make the most of it. So she's creating a cut crease here. So I'm just going to take a bit of my foundation, because this is what I use as eye base. This is just the MaxFactor one, and I'm going to use the same brush that I used before, and she's just creating like a semi-cut crease. Okay, one side done. I've watched this video before, and she says that she really regrets doing this bit on the outer corner, so I'm not going to do that bit. So this is a stunning shade. I absolutely love this. I'm really liking this look so far, if you couldn't already tell. It's very nice, I like it. So now she's going into the Aurora palette in the shade Helia, which is like a duochrome colour. I don't have that palette, but I do have this highlight here, which is quite a duochromy kind of yellowy gold shade. This is MUA Iridescent Gold. So I'm just going to do the same that she does with that and pat that on top just to give it more kind of iridescent feel to it. And it is actually, looking on my finger, it is a very similar colour to what she shows. So she's just patting on this to blend it a bit better. And I'm just going to, and then she's just also intensifying the colour here again. Right, so I don't think we're looking too dissimilar. At this point she goes off of camera and she applies eyelashes, a bit of liner and mascara. So I'm going to try and do that as well. I'm also going to clean up under it here because I definitely think she did that. So this is how we're looking now. I've put some eyelashes on. I've also put some liner on the inner rim. This is the Avon Super Shock Gel. I also put a bit of this on the upper lash line just to blend my eyelashes. And I applied some L'Oreal Paradise Mascara. I don't think we're looking too dissimilar to the tutorial. But yeah, I think she's just going to do face makeup now, so I think just to cut this a bit shorter than usual, I'm going to do my own face makeup. I'm going to watch the video, see if she does anything groundbreaking. If not, I'm just going to do my own kind of thing. Okay, so as you can see, I'm back. I've done my face makeup and I've done bronzer, foundation, concealer, highlight, all that. She's going back into the Subculture palette now, so I'm just going to carry on watching.
The Subculture palette again. Just first off, I'm just going to go in. So
she's going in with the same shade, again, the dark green that we used to begin with, and just smoking this.
So I was just using that with the the lower lash line brush. Now I'm going to be taking the socket brush, and I'm just going to be buffing that out.
Okay, so finally she's just applying a lip colour, so I'm going to apply a lip colour and then I'll be right back. So this is the completed look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you go and check out Emma's channel. I will link it down below. If you are Emma, hello, I love your videos so much. Like, honestly, I love how real your videos are. They are just amazing and you are so talented, like so talented. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I love this look. If you want to see me do any more of these videos, like recreating looks with dupe products, then make sure you let me know down below and I will definitely do that for you. And yeah, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!